Hello there and welcome to Sierra de la Nieves. I'm here between the mountains, approaching a very nice spot. There's a waterfall. You might even hear it already. Not much water though. It's been a dry season for over a month now, and you can see that the rivers are running fairly dry. I hope we get some more rain before the summer, because if not, it's going to be a bit sort of hard to survive, not only for animals and plants but also humans here in Costa del Sol. They need water. I'm going to go down towards the waterfall and see how it looks when we take a closer look. The trail is pretty nice. You have to be careful always when you're going downward. That's the dangerous part. Getting up is a bit sweaty, but going down is really when you do all the mistakes. Okay, here you go. Can you see the waterfall just behind me? I'm standing on a small wooden bridge here. Hopefully it will take my weight and I won't fall into the river here, because it's fairly steep gorge just after this fall here. You can see it comes from higher up the mountains. There's a small pond, and then it goes under the bridge towards the bit higher fall here. I'm gonna just approach and show you this. So here you go. Okay. And this gorge and river goes all the way to the village of Tolox. Very special kind of water, healing powers. A really mystical place, according to the folk tales.